Hello, I will be solving a math problem. It is math and logic problem combined, and you may enjoy it, but my target audience is your child or your children who are in middle and high school. Elementary school also, kids would be able to follow this one, but initially if they are not ready, they are not prepared, familiar with this kind of questions, it may be difficult for them. But of course, I do believe that an elementary first grader will be able to understand this one, because the knowledge base is just simple arithmetic and addition. Only addition, not even division, multiplication stuff. Okay, these are my pens, markers, and I have today my eraser. I used to use a monkey to erase because I lost my previous eraser. I have a stuffed animal, a little monkey. Now I retired that one. I will be using this one until I lose this one. The monkey will be relaxing. Okay, now I will introduce the question. After the question, you will stop this one. I will not stop, I will continue, but you will stop and then take a piece of paper and pen and try to solve it on your own. Give you maximum 20 minutes. I expect you to solve these within 10 minutes, which is normal. It could be 5 minutes too. But within maximum 20 minutes later, come back and then solve this. If you are the parent, after you engage, you learn about this, please let your child come here and also engage. Make sure that he stops before receiving the answer. He tries, attempts to solve it. Okay, the question is a well-known question by many people like me who enjoy, whose hobby is math, puzzles. Okay, this one is, let me write down, Donald. If your child's name is one of them, it will be more fantastic. It will double the interest. Gerald. I don't know in the list of names, popularity of names, what are these now? I know there are certain names become more popular with time. Like David, like, goodness sake, okay, Donald, Gerald, oh, there are some popular ones. Add up to Robert. Okay? And the only clue I am giving you, these are 10 letters. Each letter corresponds to one digit, not two, one digit, from 0 to 9. There are 10 digits from 0 to 9, single digits. Each letter corresponds to a different digit. And the only clue I'm giving you is D equals to 5. Of course, the immediate inference is, based on this information, this other D will be 5 too, correct? And there is another D is 5. I didn't need to do this, but I did a little work for you. Okay, now please stop. Take your paper, your pen, or pencil, and start working on it. Don't wait. Okay, welcome. I hope you enjoyed trying to solve it. There is likelihood, big chance that you did not solve it. If you are not very familiar with this kind of question, that's okay, I understand. But if you are the parent, please try to understand and then invite your children, let them try to solve this one and later follow the solutions. Okay, let's start with 5 plus 5 equals what? 10. And t is what? 0. I will go a little bit fast because you spent some time. I don't need to slow down. And since this is 0, we have 1 here left over here. here, this one pulls my attention here because 5 plus a number gave me r. The value of r is what? Here, I would put some values, possibilities. Is 6. If this is 1, this would be 6. 7, 8, and 9. It cannot be 10 because if it's only one digit, we said. It cannot be 0 because we have 0 here. Basically 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? I look at here, I see LL. Add up to R. 2L, whether you add them to each other or multiply by 2, it is the same. Means 2L. LL means 2 times L. If you multiply any number by 2, you get what? You get even number. Even if L is odd, even, I said, but it is a different meaning of even. If L is 3, 3 plus 3, it will be 6, correct? If it is 4, of course, 4 plus 4, 8, it is even number. In any case, R would be even. I know you are now noticing plus 1. Of course, then R is 100% odd because if you add 1 to an even number, we end up with odd. Therefore, R cannot be 6, cannot be 8. We eliminated 2 possibilities. Now we have 7, 9 as the value potential, either of them as the value of R. Here I have something going on. O plus E is equals O. Don't confuse it with 0. These are not, these are letters corresponding to numbers, to digits. Now O plus E is O. Which number, when it's add up to another number, end up with that number in addition? If O is, let's say, 2, 2 plus which number give you 2? 0, correct? 2 plus 0, 2. 3 plus 0, 3. 5, well, we have 5. 6 plus 0, 6. Aha! Then E is what? 0. But there was rule. Each letter for one digit, a different digit. We have already 0. This is 100% 0. Then E cannot be 0. What else? What else? You see, if it is 9, and if there's left over here 1, which there must be a leftover, then 1 plus 9 will make it 10. 10 plus this number will give that number. Aha! And there must be a leftover here because it becomes more than 10. You keep the first digit here and left over 1 here. Aha! Now E is 9. E is 9. Aha! We know that R cannot be 9. We eliminate 9 because E became 9. Therefore the value of R is what? Is 7. Therefore this one is 7. 7. Aha! Now this is clear. 5 plus 1, 6. Plus 1 makes it 7. G is 7. How beautiful! And let's look at this. L plus L equals R. What is the value of L? L could be 3 plus 3, 6, well, plus 1, 7. Basically, you subtract 1 from 7, go backward. These 2 must be making 6, and 6 divided by 2, then L is 3, correct? That's possibility. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. What else we have? L could be giving you 16 means 8. Which one is it? You see here, A plus A gave you E. E is 9, odd number. Well, 2 numbers make what? Even number. Therefore, it must be, in order to make the total, the sum, odd, there must be 1 here. Therefore, this is 17 because 17 and then 1 left over here. This is not 7 because 1 must carry on to make this one odd. In order to make this 17, this cannot be 3. This is 8. We got this one 8, 8. Fantastic. Aha! Now let's look at A. A, the value of A, the possibilities are what? One is 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. A could be 4. And another one could make it 19, and if 19 that is left over here, in order to make it 19, what is it? This becomes 18, correct? Because there is addition here, 1. Then in order to make 18, you have to divide it by 2 to get one of them. 18 divided by 2, 9. A is 9. Well, we know A cannot be 9. We already have E as a 9. Therefore, eliminate 9. We end up for A, 4, 4. Lovely, lovely. And what is left over? Let's check. Let's check. We have N, could be 2, 3, 6. These are the number left over. We have B left, it could be 2, 3, 6. Are you following here? And the other one, O, we have 3 digits and 3 letters, 2, 3, 6. Let's start with 2, trial and error. If this N is 2, we know that there is no left over here, therefore we can just add up this one. If this is 2, if N is 2, 7 plus 2, 9. B becomes 9. Is it possible? No. We already have E for 9. Therefore, this cannot be, N cannot be 2. What about 3? 3 plus 7, 10. It would be 0. It's not possible because we have T as a 0. You see logic, reasoning, inference. Therefore, cannot be 3. Therefore, N is what? 6. And 6 plus 7 is what? 13. This is 3. That is left over. You see, we predicted ahead of the time. 6 plus 7, 13. B is 3. Eliminate 2, eliminate 6. Well, what is left for O? We end up 3, 6. O must be 2. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and left over this one. I hope it is correct. Let's check it. Therefore, the value would be the number, corresponding number, 526,485 plus 197,485. They add up to 723,970. I hope you enjoyed, and this will help you to solve not only similar problems, also any problems involve logic reasoning. It will make it a little bit easier. You lifted weight by lifting steel, iron, but after improving your muscles, you can lift furniture, you can lift a human being, your child, a little bit with ease, easier. Okay? The same way with logic. When you use your logic to solve one problem, when you start moving your dendrites, activating them, then you can use them, transfer that activity in other areas. I hope that you will have a logical life full of reason and love and care. Take care.